Aside from the Bible verses that talk about bearing false witness in court, are there any other verses in the Bible that talk about honesty?
About bearing false witness? Well,
aside from those verses, are there any others?
Well, of course there are. In the Ten Commandments, it says, "Thou shalt not bear false witness." In fact, we read in Romans, I believe it is, "Let God be true and every man a liar." In other words, mankind, as we're living on planet Earth, we are living with sin. When we are finally raptured, we will have received our glorified spiritual body, and then there will be no more sin. Before we're saved, even though we may have been elected by God and actually our sins had been paid for before the foundation of the world, nevertheless, both in soul and in body, we are capable of sin, and lying is one of the prevalent sins in the world. But then when we become saved, then in our soul existence, which is a very important part of our personality, we cannot sin, we cannot tell lies. But in our body, we have not been saved yet. We haven't experienced our brand new body, and so there is still the possibility of sin. And so there's a possibility of lying. But you know, when we are truly saved, sin is very reprehensible. We feel terrible when we fall into a sin. Lying is not a normal situation in the life of a true believer at all. If we consistently tell lies or bring half-truths or whatever, it's an indicator that in all likelihood, even though we think we're saved, we're not saved at all.